Hello guys, how are you? This is the fourth part. Yes, this is the fourth part of our React Native uh, weather application series. So, if you remember, we used in the last video we used the API, the openweathermap.org, this website API to get the weather application of Islamabad city. We also, in the last video you also saw that how we can create token. So and yes, I remember we stuck in formatting. Okay, so let me do the same with sunset. Okay, with sunset. Okay, so now it look like this. You can see Monday, January 19th. This is time. Okay, hour, minute, second, and I think this is millisecond. We should remove this, but we don't need for now because we are not working with the main target of this goal is not to not work with time. Okay, so I think what I should do, I should push the card a bit down. So how I can do, I can do like this, margin top. Okay, and I use something like 30 pixels. Sorry, we don't need to use pixel. Okay, and I want to divide this information to multiple cards. So here I will use the temperature information. Okay, here I will use the uh, sorry, the what. Okay, here we will use temperature. Okay, and here we will use sun information. Here temperature information, and here we will use the wind information. Okay, we will display the wind information. Very good. Let's see how it look like. It look like this now. I think the first margin top is 30. Fine. Here we should use 10. Even 5 is also fine. Okay, so let's see how it look like now. 5 here, also 5. We have, I think I should remove this. Yes, uh, here I should use, this is the first, so first is 30. Okay, this is, now you can see how everything look like. Okay, and we have pressure and humidity. I think this is not the part of temperature, so we should create one, like I should say other information. Other information, here we should use, we should display. Okay, this. Okay, that's it. Now, yeah, it's pretty awesome now. Okay, temperature information, sun information. Okay, degree speed from sun. I should remove the degree and speed. Okay, I don't need here. Wind information, this is fine. The temperature information, this is fine. Other information, okay, sorry. Okay, now what else we should do? We should use one card here also. Okay, I copy the card. First I copy this. Even here now we don't need avatar, we don't need This what we need card, title, paragraph. Yeah, these three. So I copy this from here. I go to about, okay, and I copy this. I will use this here. So here we also don't need action buttons, and we also don't need this. Let's see. uh, Here I write like developer developer info, and let's say I use my website. Okay. I write something funny. I don't know much. I don't know too much too much too much about myself. You can read about me here. Okay, but I think I should include this as link, like this. Let me align the format the code. My website is this is this is the website. Okay, now, okay, hope this will work now. Okay, and you can see it's working. Just I should do something like this. I think this will work now. Just to create some empty space. Yeah. Okay. So this is about, and now and then we have setting. Okay.